Hello, in this video we will see about money as a catalyst only. I have seen any discussion like this about money in any literature or any video so far. So this is a new point of view. You can comment if you have seen this before. Money as a catalyst. Money, in my opinion, it is invented for easy facilitation of doing things. Just like a chemical reaction, some catalyst makes some things combine or dissociate, but the catalyst remains the same. The work is done. The changing one substance or two substances into one substance, chemical reaction. But the catalyst is promoting that reaction but remaining same. It can do several reactions like that. So similarly, the money remains the same. It only changes hands. Suppose we are going to a supermarket, big mall, which is not now. When it was working fully, big mall, we just go to the counter, take in a big basket so many things. Because sometimes when we have less money, some people are not giving us money, which they should give in time, delaying it. So we have to get the credit card or some other card, debit card. Then we will be more relaxed. So the card will pay it. You don't have to. If we count the money in the counter, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees will be somewhat apprehensive. So we are giving out money. So our future, what we will do? That thing we will have. But if you have a credit card or some debit card, you are using for so many years, very easy. You pick up, take all things at once, vegetables, some oil, some new offer, 1 to 1 free, some achar, or some some jam, about 150 rupees jam, if you take one free in supermarkets, yes. If you take ghee for 250 rupees, 250 rupees ghee free, it's occasion once a year, and big things they offer. So you buy plenty. That's easy. That will go for extra time. So you are not apprehensive of buying for 2,000, 3,000 rupees because you are saving this free. Similarly, so you pay for that. Also, some people big buys and flexi pay divided amount. So that's also possible. So that money goes to the supermarket, and the supermarket pays that to the manufacturers. The manufacturers have their lives, they have expense for their family, bringing up children, education, and they buy the raw products and again doing the things. Similarly, what you or any other person get more money for what you do, what you are skilled, and other people should give you money, isn't it? There are two parts. If you have money, want money also, if you have skills only, that value will be paid by people. You are a good thing, you sing a good song, you are a good singer, you will be paid. You are a good actor, you are skilled, you are giving pleasure to the people by watching the film, and they come for the film and you will get money. So it is developing oneself or doing something, preparing one, making something, and somebody takes it and gives money. So this money is circulating. It is not burned or destroyed. It just circulates again and again, just like a catalyst. Easy. So money remains the same. But suppose what I think about those people who are world's richest person, world's richest. When I become a world's richest person, I may be thinking different. But then it will be more difficult, I think, to protect yourself from others. They want to take your money. Uh, if you die off, they will get the money, etc. Such things will be there, isn't it? But actually, we should not do like that. Everyone should develop themselves. Because you think back, what you get money for is you develop yourself for some time. Yes, because yes, when I was working as an ordinary medical person, I had not much skills. I used to treat some diseases only, but I invested in the evenings. I had time because I was in big city. Nobody looks where you are going, what you are doing after your work. You can go anywhere. Big cities have such advantage. Everybody is, so many people are there. Nobody cares for what they do outside the house. So I gave about 1,500 only for personality development, speaking English properly. Even if we get rank in Kerala, we need not speak properly. In that personality development, we are forced to remember certain things, speech, just like we do in front of a TV announcement, etc. So that training made me get a job in medical teaching for 11 years, plus 2 years. Such a thing, training, it's 1,500 rupees only, and it was spent on myself, direct myself. So if you do that money, 1,500 rupees, how much it made for me? About 11 years, 12 years, it's about 50 lakhs, which otherwise I would not receive. Because you have to be capable of teaching young doctors. You cannot speak literally spoken English, personality development, and that ability. When I was doing that course, I was always that. Am I wasting time? My present thing will be lost. Yes, always that will be there. Whatever one do for the future or big thing, then there will be an apprehension inside that. Will I lose the present condition and trouble? The only thing is that don't waste much time, don't waste much money, but do the thing with the present thing also going on. Don't waste energy so that the present thing is negative. You cannot do that. Something you should do. That's action. Faith and action. Action developing yourself. And that brings more money. 50 lakhs in 13 years, that's a small amount when considered the present times. But at the time I could not imagine these things. Those things, necessities were there to be done. So somehow it was done. So that's why the money comes into my hands and it is given for some other thing. And money is still there in the world. It is in somebody else's hands. But it gets done. Some chemical reactions done. It is just like that something gets done with the money. So suppose the money is not there in the forest area, they give some honey or their cultivation things for some rice and oil. So barter system, things are given instead of money, printed paper or coin. So both things are there, this they can use so that everybody's things can be done. Necessities are met, but the money remains the same. The barter thing means it is consumed by both people, that service also. And this is some consumer benefit is there. But money, it circulates again and again. Gets things done, it does not change. That's the importance of money. So many people have bad impression about money. When we don't have money, we feel bad. That's the feeling. But actually, one should one should concentrate on wealth. If we have money, how we feel, isn't it? We work with so much money in our pocket or briefcase. They feel good is there, not apprehension. We have that. But only thing is that I bought a small magic thing, 15 rupees, from Ernakulam Menaga roadside, one magician selling magic things. That is very educational for this. So I will tell that example. It is just like a roll. Somebody might have seen two rollers, paper, plastic rollers. We put plain paper cut like a knot inside, and we turn a handle, and coming out between rollers, small thing, is original notes. And the magician told one sentence which I still remember. The magician told, the 15 rupees only, so many things are, I bought so many rupees worth magic, but this is still important. And I feel that's good, a good reminder for what to do. Sometimes we forget in the busy things, we forget these principles or these lessons. So the lesson is, the magician told me, you have to put original notes first inside. Then only you put paper and you can take that. First you put inside the notes. Then only you can roll it from the machine. That was a simple sentence a magician told. I think that's a big principle. What we want, we should have inside first. Just like the machine. And I had that, before getting this 50 lakhs in 11 years, I had that machine. So somehow I associated with this, abundance coming. I didn't understand at that time, I applied. But that is the thing. We have to put notes. About 3,000 rupees if we want to get, we put 3,000 rupees in a roller first. And it will be disappearing. Plastic only will be seen. We are putting inside the original notes. And then we are showing the people or somebody or ourselves the plain paper. We are putting plain paper, and immediately the printed notes will become. That is the magic. But the magic is inside. That is first you have to do. First step is put the thing you want inside the magic rollers. That is your mind, inside, inner world, etc. People say. Inside, outside. What is inside only comes. It attracts similar things. Like attracts like, same vibration. If you don't have anything inside, then the nature will not give that. If you have that, that will be just like a mirror reflects, or you have a film made. It's like a movie film. You have to make a film, isn't it? That power is given to you or me. What I want to make or things I want to do, I have to make just like a film, shoot a film with a camera first. And that is put inside the money machine or the universe or the nature, etc. And that film is shown in the screen and it is reflected to us and we see that. But if I don't show that film, can I see that movie in my life? No. So I showed that movie, or everyone should shoot that movie. You can write it, you can paint it, you can describe it to yourself. See again and again what you are doing. This is called rehearsing. Previously in the dramas, films, etc., 1 month rehearsing was then only. The film Ben-Hur, Yoda Ben-Hur was shot with Charlton Heston, rehearsing with horses for 3 weeks. That's 3 weeks is back. Yes. Now we don't believe it. We forgot all these things. So the rehearsing about what? That is the thing which comes outside. So the money is a catalyst, and money will remain the same. Only thing is that we have to put that in the machine first. Anybody who can comment.